Hello friends, welcome to Smart Class. Today in this video, let us learn about the topic trigonometry for the class 10th. Before learning about this topic, first let us know about the word trigonon, which means triangle, and metron means to measure. To the measurement of the sides of a triangle will tell about the trigonometry. To learn about this topic, we have to take a right angle triangle. Here I have drawn a right angle triangle of name A, B, C, and the angle of B is 90 degrees. The angle of B is 90 degrees. If we take the angle C as theta, the AB side will become the opposite side and the BC side will become adjacent side and the side AC will become hypotenuse. Let me write AB equals to opposite side, BC equals to adjacent side and AC equals to hypotenuse. And we can write all these names only with respect to the theta. And if we take the angle A as alpha, and the names of these sides will change. Let me draw the triangle again. I am naming it as ABC. This side BC will become opposite side and AB is adjacent side to the angle alpha and AC is hypotenuse. AB is adjacent side for the angle alpha, BC is opposite side and AC is hypotenuse. And friends, after this we have to learn about some formulas. Let us see that. See friends, by using this triangle we can learn some of the formulas. Those are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Let us know the formulas. Sin theta, with respect to theta, the formula for sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. By seeing this triangle, we can name it as AB over AC. Let me write the names of the sides. This is opposite side, this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. And the formula for cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And by seeing this triangle, we can name it as BC over AC. And the formula for tan theta is opposite over adjacent. Which is AB by BC. By BC. We can observe a small thing here. If we take the formula of tan theta, which is opposite over adjacent, we can write it as sin theta by cos theta. Because the formula for sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse whole by, and the formula for cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. By cancelling both the hypotenuse, we can get the formula which is opposite over adjacent, which is the formula of tan theta. If we see the cosecant theta, it is the reciprocal of sin theta. We can write it as hypotenuse over opposite, which is AC over AB with respect to the triangle. And secant theta, it is the reciprocal of cos theta, which is hypotenuse over adjacent. I can write it as AC by BC with respect to this triangle. And the cot theta, it is the reciprocal of tan theta. It is adjacent over opposite. And this cot theta can also be written as cos theta by sin theta, because the cos theta by sin theta will give us the reciprocal of tan theta. Friends, to remember all these formulas, let me tell you a trick to remember this, which is SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. S indicates sine, O indicates opposite, H indicates hypotenuse. As we know that the formula for sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse. And here the C indicates cos, A indicates adjacent, and H indicates hypotenuse. The formula for cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. And here T indicates tan, O represents opposite, and the A represents adjacent. The formula for tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. And for the remaining formulas, cosecant, secant, cot, we can reciprocal the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. And friends, do remember this formula, SOHCAHTOA. See friends, this is the formula that I have told you before, SOHCAHTOA. You can see the triangles and you can observe this. Friends, we have to know some of the values of the degrees of formulas of a trigonometry. Let us see the degrees, which is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. We have to know all these values with respect to the formulas of a triangle, which are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant, secant and cot theta. See friends, you have to learn this table. The sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is 1. And if we see with cos A, the cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. Friends, if we observe the values of sin theta and cos theta, the values of sin theta is the reciprocal for the cos theta. Observe this carefully. And if we see about the tan theta, the sin theta by cos theta will give us a tan theta. So sin 0 by cos 0 is 0, and so the tan 0 is 0. The sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 by cos 30 is 1 by root 3, and so the tan 30 is 1 by root 3. And the remaining will also go like that. And the cot A, the reciprocal of tan A will gives us a cot A, and the reciprocal for cos A will give us a secant A. The reciprocal of sin A will give us a cosecant A. And friends, by using all these formulas, we can solve many sums regarding the trigonometry and do practice. Thank you.